04739, your battery is low.
I'm out here enjoying the good old Arizona weather. It's beautiful right now. It's about 80 degrees. We have greenery coming back. There's some planes out flying, but we're gonna stay in this park here. So we're just gonna stay right here. It's gonna be our whole dealio for the day.
Running through the city, drunk on the subway train. Set free every time you kissed me, we couldn't feel no pain. You looked at me and I looked at you like we never look away. Broke kids running through the city, don't let the memory fade. You said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said I never regretted the day that I called you mine. So I call you mine. Can I call you mine? And you said I never regretted the day that I called you mine. Think about what you believe in now. Am I someone you cannot live without? 'Cause I know I don't wanna live without you. Yeah, come on, let's turn this all around. Bring it all back to the bar downtown when you wouldn't let me walk out. You, yeah, you said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said I never regretted the day that I called you.
I thought I would go through and show you guys a little bit of what I use when I'm out flying. I've got a Shen drone Squirt V2 here. I have a SourceOne. I have a SourceOne V2 here when I go out and fly. And then I also take my 7-inch FR7. And this is a little bit bigger than most people would take, but if you are at a place where it's a great view coming in and you're thinking that I should just get a shot of where I'm at and kind of show people where you're at flying, it's a great quad to have to do that with. So I have a X-Lite. It's the original X-Lite, and then I have a TBS full-size Crossfire here. I think it's the one that's like $208 or whatever. It has Bluetooth and all that stuff. This is my transmitter. For my goggles, I've got the HD2s, and they're the T2 version, the remake, and then I changed the faceplate to orange faceplate. I also carry along with me an extender for my transmitter, just in case like I want to stand somewhere where I can't get good RF for my transmitter, but my goggles is getting good video. Another thing that I always have in my bag that I don't show anybody is I have a dock king. And the reason I have the dock king is because it magnetizes itself for your video signal. So if you're at a place where, you know, you want to put this up higher than you're standing, but you can't stand up there, but you can get a good RF signal. Yeah, so I use this also, just to get a good shot. So one thing that everybody wonders how I fly so comfortably around trees here in Arizona, the trees aren't very tall. I just took like a big socket, attached it to some paracord. This is about, I don't know, 50 feet, maybe 65 feet of paracord here. I always keep that in the bag, it's always there. I have a little pouch of extra antennas that I like to take with me. I have the my GoPro 8 tempered glass, and then I have the tempered glass for my Hero 5. I also take my Xing watch with me everywhere. has DVR built into it as well. I take a gimbal, nice pocket-sized gimbal to have all my stuff videoed and everything. And then right here is the wires for the dock king. And I always take, so like the Nidici DVR right here gives me great DVR footage. It matches up real nice with my GoPro footage. Moo, are you nosy girl?
One more drink, one more Bacardi, one more dance at this after party. We still going strong. Speed so faster like a Ferrari. We get wilder like on safari. We still going strong. And all of these good things, good things, good things. All we need, good things, good things, good things. Tonight we go all night long. We party like Post Malone. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home tonight. Ain't nobody kill my vibe. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home. See the ocean there in your eyes in slow motion. We see the sunrise. We are in a zone. 5 a.m. but we still are rolling in the deepest of my emotions. We are in a zone. And all of these good things, good things, good things. All we need, good things, good things, good things. Tonight we go all night long. We party like Post Malone. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home tonight. Ain't nobody kill my vibe. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Tonight we go all night long. We party like Post Malone. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home tonight. Ain't nobody kill my vibe. Don't tell me to go. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home. Never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home.
Well, this has been quite an event. I enjoyed myself. I got out of the house, and most of all, I brought you guys along so you can see what's going on in my neck of the woods. The park's pretty empty here. It's the first time I have seen it empty like this in weeks. Thanks for coming along, guys. I really appreciate it, and definitely next time I will be bringing something to you guys that I don't even know if it's gonna work. So be prepared. I've got a quad that I'm building that it's kind of experimental build. Dumping about $400 into it to do an experiment, and if it turns out good, or if it turns out bad, I'm just gonna make a video about it. It's gonna be video number 21, or episode number 21. So look forward to episode 21 and enjoy episode 20, guys. Later.